Hello, welcome to my channel. You've probably been using your laptop or your Android phone the same way for so many years, and you don't know you don't know that there are so many features that you have not been able to notice. And those features can help your system or laptop or phone or any Android or iOS that you're using to work very faster and very easy. Very difficult to do at the end. Just watch to the end of this video. Before you go, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video so that the next person that watches it to be of very help to that very person. Thank you as you stay tuned. Yeah, before we continue on this very topic, gesture, you need to understand what a gesture is all about. So gesture simply means, gesture is a form of a non-verbal communication where visible bodily action like hands, arms, or head movement express a message, feeling, or ideas. It can also refer to as a symbolic act performed as a courtesy or to show intention, such as a gesture of goodwill. So, but based on this very message we're trying to pass on, gesture simply means on how you can control your phones without pressing or showing any, just a kind without not doing normal procedure by pressing or going through so long process in order to perform a certain action. So the gesture aspect of it help you to perform that very action very easily. So that is how or what gesture means in this very sure. So if you go to your phone setting, this is Android phone of course. Go to your phone setting, go to this search bar and type a gesture. Sorry, to bring out options of gesture like this. Select this action and gesture. So look at the features of gesture in your phone. One, tapping awake. That's if you on this one now, like I've on it. So the function of this one now is double click to open or close screen. Let's try it. So you notice how I double click the phone just went off. I double click again, it went back on. So you still go back to that very place. Same gesture, action. Let's perform other actions. Number 2, which is music gesture. We control your music by a specific gesture with your finger over the off screen. So this one, now let's on it. Let's on it. Even though this one might be very common to us, but let's just vibe in on it. I on my music on the Play Store, my audio Mac, and go back to my screen. Just flip this your phone notification, you see there. So this one is very common to us. So the next one is flip mute. Flip phone to mute an incoming call. That's if you set this one like this, if you on it, if there's any call coming into your phone, you just have to flip it. Like bring your phone up, flip it, it will turn off. Like it will mute the incoming call. The next one is raise to ear. This one is once you on it, if you just pick up the phone, once you're having an incoming call, pick the phone to your ear. You don't even need to press any button to answer the call. Just put it directly to your ear. It will pick up the call ASAP without any challenges. The next one, leave to wake up. When the screen is off, take up the device, can quickly wake up. So this one is very common as well in some Android phone, which they have already turned it on. But this one is not on, so let's do that quickly. So I'm going to off my phone now and pick it up again. I just pick it up now, the thing just turned back. So that is how it works. So that is how it works. Answer call with a gesture. Automatically turn on the front camera to recognize hand gesture for answering or declining a call. So this one also works well. Look at the instruction here, very simple. See, to reject, you raise your 3 hands, your 5 hands to pick up the call 2 hands. So you can set this in your phone and it works very well. So that's all for today. Please like and subscribe for more tips like this in our coming video. Thank you.